Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back, subscribers. If you're not a subscriber, I'd love to have you as a subscriber, so hit that little button and you'll just be notified of the videos that are coming out next. But anyway, thanks for coming back and tuning in. Today, just going to run some pine on the mill. We've got some pine logs that are down. We need to get cut. They don't need to stay on the ground very long. They get bugs in them. Moisture's not good for them. So what I'm going to do is just cut posts. It's going to be an odd number. It's going to be 9 by 9, 11 by 11, 7 by 7. That way we can come back at a later date and cut them down to what we want. We can trim them off, square them up. That odd number gives us that extra bit to square up later on. So yeah, gonna run some pine. We've got a good bit sitting out here. I've got a couple left over from a month or so ago, and just gonna make posts. So yeah, let's get to milling. Okay, folks, this is why you don't let pine sit. This is why you don't let pine sit. See all those bugs that have gotten in under that bark? That is why you don't let pine sit. Just an FYI. Ooh, that looks good. All right, folks, that's the first one. That one came out 9 by 9, 9 inches by 9 inches. And I wasn't real worried about squaring it up exactly, because we're going to just put it up and let it dry, and then when we come back to cut it to dimensional wood, then we can make sure it's square. It's probably going to move a little bit. Got a little bit of wane down here, but we can cut that out. But yeah, that's a Wood-Mizer Turbo 7 blade. I put a new one on when I started cutting this. Man, it's cutting good too. It's cutting really good, really sharp. A little bit of blue staining on the end down there, but turned out good. What do y'all think about pine? I like it. It's kind of messy when you cut it, but I like it. Always turns out pretty good. Leave a comment, let me know. I'm gonna run some more. That's another 9 by 9. A little bit of wane on that end, but when we come back and cut it down to size, we'll be trimming all that off. Good looking pine. that one to start with is this particular log had a crack in it right here, and this is from when the tree was cut down. When it fell, it just cracked, so I had to get under that, and it was a pretty good size flitch, but I should be able to get my 9x9 out of that. So you can see this had some staining in it already from the southern pine beetles getting in it. So Wood-Mizer Turbo 7's getting it done. Good clean cut on all that. Turned out pretty good. That's number 4. And I think I'm gonna be done for the day. And I appreciate y'all watching. I'm gonna get these stacked as soon as Jason gets home, figure out where he wants to put it. But thanks for watching. And hey, this weekend is Memorial Day, and that means that we're memorializing our men and women who have died for our country. So just take just a minute or just a second and say thanks, because without them, what would we be? We wouldn't be a country. So just say thanks for what they do, and thank you for our public service people and all of our military. And I hope you guys have a great week and a great Memorial Day weekend, and think about those who have gone before us. Have a great day.